Now here on the dashboard then, we'll go through everything. So hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this ProfitDuel review video. Now I'm really excited to bring this video to you because ProfitDuel is going to allow you to get involved with the newest and best side hustle that you can do in America. We're going to look at what ProfitDuel is, how you can use it to make money, and best of all, how you can start with ProfitDuel for completely free. Now, this may take some tiny bit of explaining here because I don't want to say the word I'm about to say and it scare people off because it's something that's a bit confusing. So ProfitDuel is a matched betting site, but before you click off the video thinking I'm going to talk to you about gambling, when I say matched betting, we are placing bets at sportsbooks, but we're not actually risking any of our own money. And that may sound too good to be true, but I'm going to show you in this video how it is very good and also very true. So I've been match betting personally in the UK since December 2018, and for over 2 years now I've been helping others here on YouTube in the UK profit from match betting. And now this introduction of ProfitDuel means I'll be able to help people in America as well. Before we get on the laptop though and I show you everything to do with ProfitDuel and how you can get started using it, just wanted to mention the Match Betting USA Facebook group that I've started, and of course the link to that will be down in the description alongside the free trial link to ProfitDuel. But getting onto the laptop then, let's go through it. I really want to take you through everything you need to know to start making, $1,000 a month using this site in your spare time. Now, what we can see here, this is the main website. I'm not logged into my account yet. And this pops up here. So it says, sign up today and start earning $125 completely free just from the free trial. Then you can upgrade and earn thousands more. So they give you that free trial there in order to, of course, get you used to their site for completely free and allow you to really get to grips with what they can do for you. Now, if we go ahead and click this off here, we can read through and it says, make money online today. Welcome to New Jersey's fastest growing side hustle. So just to mention here, currently it is only available in New Jersey, but in the next week or two, they are going live in New York. Then in the next coming months, they're going live in Pennsylvania, Ohio, and I've been told in Maryland. So really, really expanding across America. And they will eventually be available in every state in America where gambling is legal. Now here it states, here at ProfitDuel, we teach you how to take advantage of promotions and bonuses offered by sportsbooks and casinos without risking your own money. It's tried and tested, legal and effective way to make money online. Now scrolling further down here, we have some videos here. So it says people like you are making $1,000 a month online, and we have an explanation video of exactly how it works. Of course, I'll leave that to you to watch at your leisure there. But scrolling down, we can see there's review sites here for this company's UK version. So if we click on this, load it up here. So Odds Monkey is the site I've been using for the past few years. I've made just under £30,000 using them, so around $40,000 in that few years of using them. And my average has been over $1,000 a month of profit when I've been fully engaged in using the site myself. You can see here, rated excellent, 4.8 out of 5 stars there, and just loads and loads of fantastic reviews there. But it goes on further to show that they've been in lots of newspapers here, and then it goes into sort of showing you how it can work and all the different things that are involved. But what we're going to do is actually click over here, and this is the ProfitDuel dashboard. So I have a fully paid membership. Of course, I can't use ProfitDuel being in the UK myself and not being a US citizen, but I wanted to join up so that I could make helpful videos here on the Profit Boss channel to show you exactly how to make money using ProfitDuel. Now, here on the dashboard then, we'll go through everything. So we can see here they have the getting started guide, so match betting introduction, bankroll, the Dutch matcher. I'm going to create separate videos to go through all these here, so don't worry if you want more videos explaining all of this, then I will be making them. You can see here with it set up as me in New Jersey, says you have 17 new offers worth over $4,838 there. This is just free money being given out by the bookmakers, and we're going to place the bets to cover all the outcomes. So no matter what, we make money and we never lose a penny, or a cent, should I say. And yeah, it's a really great thing to get involved with. So that's why I'm so excited about this. It does say here, life after welcome offers, keep the cash coming. That's coming soon. So in the UK, we have these sign-up offers, and then there's more advanced strategies that you can do. But ProfitDuel are currently developing that advanced strategy side of their site still. Now here on the right-hand side, we can see total profit, and that's going to be your tracked profit there. It shows you for today, last month, the current month, which I think is really handy. Then it shows the Dutch Matcher, Profit Tracker, Dutch Calculator, Odds Converter, and then the Facebook and Discord community there. And then there's also an option there to refer friends and earn money referring your friends to the site, which I'll talk about later on in the video. But that's the dashboard gone through here. If we now look at the tabs across the top here, we can click on offers, and then we have the welcome bonuses, ongoing offers, and in progress offers. So let's click on welcome offers here, and I'll show you what that looks like, or welcome bonuses, should I say. So yeah, you can see here, actually it's $4,988 there to be precise. So we've got all these different sports books here giving out this free money just for you to sign up to their website. They do that as a, introduction offer to get you to use their site, but we're not interested in gambling. We literally just want to join up, take the guaranteed profit, and then move on to the next offer. But now we've been through the offers section there, let's go on to the tools. So we have the Dutch Matcher, Dutch Calculator, Profit Tracker, and Odds Converter. So if we go on the Dutch Matcher first, this is the tool that's going to allow us, it's going to actually find bets for us that will give us that free chance of making money there. So for example, here we have bet 1 with Unibet, bet 2 with Bet365. Now you can see there the away bets here on the spread for the Indiana Pacers at Atlanta Hawks is plus 15.5. Now the other selection at Bet365 is minus 15.5. So no matter what happens there, because we bet on both outcomes, it doesn't matter what happens in the actual game. In this case, it's a basketball match. So we can click on calculator here. That's going to load up this calculator, of course. And we can see here, so say the offer is we need to bet $100 at Unibet and to unlock the free bet. So all we need to do is, it states here, is go to Unibet, bet $100 on the Indiana Pacers at odds of minus 200. Then go to Bet365, bet $50 on Atlanta Hawks at minus 15.5, odds of plus 200. And you can see, no matter what happens, if the first bet wins, we get $0 profit. Second bet wins, we get $0 profit. But then we're getting the free bet. And all we do is repeat the process, but change the bet type to free bet. So that's going to renew the calculator. And then you can see if we repeat the same bet there, with the free bet set, and we have it $100, we'll make the $33 or $34 guaranteed no matter what the outcome. But now we've looked at the Dutch Matcher tool, let's go ahead and check out the Dutch Calculator. Basically, it's just a plain calculator there. If you want to start finding your own bets, you can do. You would put the odds in here and the back stake there at bet 1. But there's no need to find your own bets when there is the Dutch Matcher tool to find them for you. Then if we go on to the profit tracker here, that's, as it sounds, a profit tracker. So whenever you register bets there and you select track my bet, it will then log it in here and be able to show you exactly how much money you're making over time. Then after the profit tracker, we have the odds converter tool. Again, I don't really know when you'd need to use this, but it's handy to have it. In England here, we use the decimal odds. So in America, you use the 100 American odds, which is decimal odds of 2.0. Fractionally, that's 1-to-1, and then as a percentage, that's 50%. Now, that's all the tools. Let's go ahead and click on guides. And although we can't go through all of the guides because some of these are paid tools, we can just see here that, yeah, we have 3 guides here which are completely free. And as I say, I will do separate videos for those in order to really go through them and show you exactly what to be looking for. Now, onto the help section here. So they have the community, glossary, contact us if you have any questions. And then they have the refer a friend and manage your account. Now, refer a friend, we can just click on this earn $50 here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You're referring a friend to ProfitDuel to earn a commission. Scroll down, copy this link here, and then share it with your friends. And every time they sign up, so it says here, 30 days after they've made their first full payment of $99, that's what it costs per month, you will get paid $50 as a one-off fee. And then you can track how many friends you've referred, how many friends have turned to premium members, how many payments pending, and then how much you've earned in total. All you do for that is put your PayPal details in there, click update PayPal, and they literally just pay you straight to your PayPal with that. I'll put up on the screen now how much money I've made referring people to the UK version of ProfitDuel, which is Odds Monkey. And you can see there, it's a lot of money. I mean, it's a really easy sell to people because you're literally saying, hey, click here, you can get free money. So who doesn't want to get involved with that? So referring others to the site is also a great way to make money online. Now, in the top right-hand corner here, we have community. So they have a Facebook and Discord. As I mentioned, I do have the Match Betting USA Facebook group of my own there, which I hope to grow into be a very large community. So do check out that link down below. We have next to that a pinkish, purplish, I think it's pink there, $0 there. That's the profit section there. And yeah, obviously I haven't placed any bets here with me being in the UK, so it will remain at 0. Now, I have just touched on how much this costs per month, but let's just go through it properly and I'll talk to you about what kind of value for money can you get from ProfitDuel. So on the main site here, logged out of my account, I'll scroll down here and we can see here. So free trial, you're going to earn the $125 profit, as we've mentioned. You get full unlimited access to the free trial guides and videos, learn the basics, access tools and software. And then you're going to just complete the 2 welcome offers and get that free profit there, basically, from opening a couple of sportsbook accounts. Then once you pay for the $99.99 a month premium account, you'll get to earn that, as we've shown there in New Jersey, $5,000. And they're just the welcome offers. I mean, there's more advanced ways that you can make profit from sports betting, and I'll get into that in other videos, but you can actually make like coming up for $6,000 there just by signing up to a premium account here. Now, you can go for a $499 annual membership there. That's the one I went for. It's exactly the same membership, but of course you get it for much cheaper, so $41.58 a month. Now, what I'd really like to do, just for a bit of fun, is for people to comment down below and let me know what state you're from. Always interested to see where the viewers are located. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.